Welcome back to our YouTube channel, TOSJOHN Consulting. It is our promise to you that we will always be showing up here. That is why we've told you that this channel is open 24/7 for all business owners, for all professionals, and of course, all entrepreneurs in Nigeria, in Africa, all over the world. So we're a global consulting firm. So you can reach out to us on all of our professional consulting services. So we brought you a live, streaming some couple of hours, ago, and now we are back again with another live streaming. So if this is your first time of connecting to our YouTube channel, please make sure you subscribe. Make sure you give us a thumbs up, like this video, and also share it with other professionals, business owners, and entrepreneurs. So today's live streaming is an exciting one. You know that there are some skills, professions that can never go out of date. No matter the technology changes, no matter the advancements in technology, in knowledge, they cannot still, go outdated. They cannot still, they cannot fizzle out. Rather, technology will still, be promoting them, be making them to be in high demands. So why accounting and tax skills are still in high demand in 2026 and even beyond 2026? Accounting and tax skills. So it is with great excitement for people that are in the finance, accounting, and tax professions that this field is a relevant field, is an age-long field, right from time immemorial, and it's still this modern period and beyond, it will still be relevant. So if you're into accounting, finance, tax field, right, AI will just speed up that work, enable that work to be carried out with all flexibility and with all accuracy and with all efficiency and effectiveness. So if you are in accounting, finance, tax field, right, you are in the right field. And that is why we are always here giving you all the information, all the knowledge, practical knowledge that you need to keep yourself relevant in this profession. And of course, as business owner, as entrepreneur as well, right, you need accounting, tax, and of course, finance professionals to work with you. And that's why we're always here showing up for you. So please, if this is your first time of connecting to this YouTube channel, please subscribe to this YouTube channel, give us a thumbs up, like this video, and also share this YouTube channel and this video to all other professionals, business owners, and entrepreneurs all over the world. We love you, we appreciate you, we cherish you. That is why we are always showing up here just for you. So while accounting and tax skills are in high demand, why they are still in high demand in 2026 and even beyond. So if you think accounting and taxes are becoming irrelevant, if you are thinking that accounting and tax skills are irrelevant, right, because of AI and automation, you need to think again, because this field is ever relevant in 2026 and beyond. In fact, accounting and tax professionals are more in demand today than ever before. They are in high demand today and even than ever before. So the big question is this: why are accounting and tax skills still so valuable in 2026? In many years to come, it will still be ever relevant. So you need to stay true to this live streaming with us, because in this video, right, we will be showing you, we'll be breaking down exactly why these skills are not just relevant, but recession-proof. ever important, ever valuable, ever in high demand. So you are welcome to TOSJOHN Consulting YouTube channel. Let's get into the business of today. The point number one that we want you to know is this: compliance is not optional. The reason why accounting and tax skills are ever relevant is because compliance is not optional. When you are running a business, when you are doing your business ventures, you need to stay compliant. Regulatory authority compliance, CAC compliance, tax authority compliance, your industry compliance. So that is why accounting and audit and finance, tax skills, tax professionals will ever be in high demand. So compliance is not optional. So every business must comply with government regulations. Every business must comply with government regulations, right? So in Nigeria and in any other nations of the world, company must file and report to the Nigerian Revenue Service and to other countries' revenue service and the Corporate Affairs Commissions. So in Nigeria, the Nigerian Revenue Service, which we formerly known as Federal Inland Revenue Service, every company, right, must report to them all the affairs of their business. And then for Corporate Affairs Commission, which is the foundation of every business formation. So that is why high demands of accounting and tax professionals are needed, right? Because compliance is not optional. So failure to comply will now mean this: penalties, interest charges, legal consequences, and no AI tool wants you to understand that AI is your assistant. AI is not your boss. It's assisting you to carry out your work efficiently. So AI can never replace your responsibility as a tax professional, as an accounting professional, as a finance professional. AI cannot replace your work. So having the knowledge of AI will just improve and make your work more effective, more efficient, more accurate. And then you carry out your work in a very short time. So AI cannot replace your work. So businesses need professionals, right, who understand tax laws and filing requirements. That is why TOSJOHN Consulting have been set up, established, being visible on this YouTube channel to help all businesses, entrepreneurs, and professionals all over the world. So that alone keeps accounting and tax skills in high demand. Just compliance alone will keep these accounting and tax skills professionals ever relevant, right? So if you are in accounting, finance, and tax field, you are in the right place. Then point number two: tax law keeps changing. Tax laws in any nations of the world and in Nigeria, tax law keeps Nigerian Tax Reform Act 2025, and it has taken effect already. So tax law are not static. They are not stagnant. They are not stagnant. They are not static. So for example, the reforms like the Nigerian Tax Reform Act 2025 introduced new compliance requirements for businesses. We now have requirements for businesses. So when laws changes, then you have businesses get confused, and then the tax professionals and accounting professionals are in need. We are needed for them. So businesses will need them to do all these compliances. Mistake increases, risks multiply. That is where tax professionals, accounting professionals step in to interpret, to guide, and to implement correctly. So we've said it over and over here on this YouTube channel that if you are running a business, you cannot do everything all alone by yourself. You need a tax professionals like TOSJOHN Consulting. You need an accounting professionals. We are your strategic business growth support partner. So you need to reach out to us. So let's move on from there. Point number 3, every business wants to pay less tax. Every business wants to pay less tax legally. Legally. So no business wants to overpay tax, right? But here is the truth. Most businesses lose money because they don't plan properly. So it is tax consultant, tax professionals that will help you to plan your tax legally. Tax planning, tax strategies, tax avoidance. We are the one that will help you to plan it correctly, legally. That's why you need us. So most businesses lose money because they don't plan the tax properly. Accounting and tax experts helps businesses. Accounting and tax experts will help businesses to do number 1, structure transactions efficiently, claim allowable deductions, avoid unnecessary penalties, and improve cash flow. So you can see the reason why accounting and tax professionals will always be in high demand. So good tax planning is not an expense, it's a profit strategy. Good tax planning is not an expense, it's a profit strategy. So please, good tax planning is not an expense, just like we've said, it is a profit strategy. So please share this YouTube channel to other business owners, entrepreneurs to subscribe, and you yourself subscribe to this YouTube channel. Give us a thumbs up, and of course, like this video and reach out to us on all of our professional consulting services. So point number 4, technology still needs professionals. Technology still needs professionals. Yes, we now have what we call AI tools. We have cloud accounting software. We have automation systems. But technology does not replace judgment. That's what you must know. Software processes data, right? It is professionals that interpret the data, who ensures the numbers are correct, who analyzes financial statements, who advises management, and that is the accountant, the tax professionals. So that is why we are always in high demand. So you can reach out to us to partner with you for your business strategy. So point number 5, government monitoring is increasing. Government monitoring is increasing. So with the e-invoicing that the Nigerian Revenue Service have introduced from this Nigerian Tax Reform Act 2025, we now have e-invoicing, we have digital tax system, we have data sharing across agencies, right? And of course, we have regulatory oversight, which is now tighter than ever before. So this means that professionals who understand all of this, like digital compliance, audit preparedness, risk management. So the more regulation increases, the higher the demand of accounting experts and tax experts. So you can see the reason now. Then point number 6, every industry needs accounting. Every industry needs accounting. Like just what Warren Buffett said, he said accounting is the language of the business. So if you don't understand the language of the business, that business might go bankrupt. That business might collapse. So that is why accounting is accounting is needed in every industry. So unlike many careers, accounting is universal, right? Every industry needs a financial reporting, a budgeting, a cost control, a tax compliance, from startups to multinationals. Accounting is the backbone of business survival. That is why accounting and tax skills are in high demand. So as we close this live streaming, here is the bottom line and the summary of what we are saying. Accounting and tax skills are not dying. Accounting and tax skills are not dying, they are evolving. The professionals who will dominate 2026 and beyond are those who combine the technical accounting knowledge, tax experts, digital skills, strategic thinking. If you are building your career in finance, you are in the right profession. You are in the right profession. So this is the action. If you found this video valuable, please ensure you like this video, subscribe to TOSJOHN Consulting, turn on your notification bell, and share with someone building a finance career. Share it with them and let us know in the comment section, are you upgrading your accounting and tax skills in 2026? And then we will see you in the next video. We'll respond to all your comments, all your questions. Feel free to reach out to us. Like our YouTube channel. Give us a thumbs up on this video, and also share with other professionals in this field or trying to build a career in this field. We love you. We appreciate you. We value all your support, all your time on this YouTube channel. Feel free to comment, feel free to ask us your question. I will be willing and ready to answer your question. Share this video to other professionals, business owners that need all our accounting services, and we are willing and ready to be their strategic business growth support partner. Thank you for staying through on this YouTube live streaming. We appreciate your time, and then we'll see you in another live streaming. Thank you very much, and bye for now. Bye.